And then we go to the next parameter. I'm going to select permeability J, click this one and click add. I want to call it horizontal permeability, perm H, yeah, horizontal permeability, default value 0.24. It's a tight reservoir, 0.24 millidarcies, real number, and then I, okay, click I, permeability I. I want to make it double click perm H. So both perm J and perm I, they are both perm H, horizontal permeability. Okay, so it's easy. And then perm K, permeability in K direction, perm K, constant 0.06. Okay, click add. Now we will call it perm vertical permeability, so it's perm V. All right, and then the next one, I want to use rock compressibility. I want to know the importance of rock compressibility on our production. So click on this one, pressure dependence. So I will expand pressure dependence of formation porosity. Okay, it's actually compressibility. Click on that and then click add. And then name it compressibility. Okay, you can call it rock compressibility, all right? But for me, I know it's compressibility. It must be rock compressibility. It's not fluid compressibility. So far, so good. And then let's close the reservoir. I want to analyze the importance of several hydraulic fracture parameters. So expand the planar fractures and the templates. Again, click on that. All right, we have several parameters here. And by the way, it's, yeah, doesn't matter. So first, click on this. This is actually half length. Yeah. So I click on that, 55, click add, and I call it half length. Okay. So I want to know the importance of my half length. And the next one, I want to know this one. Okay, by the way, I changed the resolution a little bit so that you can see the whole window. All right, so here we have WF1. It's actually the permeability of the fracture permeability. So I click on this one and then I will click add and I call it fracture permeability. Okay, fracture perm. And then it's also important, this one, layers up. So how many layers I want to extend my fracture to. So I will, for example, 3, I want to extend my fracture to 3 layers up. And then I also have layers down. So I want to extend my fracture to 2 layers down. Okay. So I click this one and then click add. And we can call it, for example, layer or fracture underscore layer underscore up. All right, and also this one, let's call it fracture underscore no layer down. Okay, so far so good. So we have 8 parameters so far. And this one is not really important. And let's go to the rock fluid, rock type 1. And we have this one. Right. Actually, not rock fluid, but builder keywords. I want to find my relative permeability table. So let's expand the relative permeability table, rock type 1. We have set 1 here, expand again, and show data. So we have several values.